differentiate this. This is a case of function of a function. Now, to do it, let u equals to 3x minus 2. That means if we differentiate the u with respect to x, du dx, we get 3. So our y now will become u power 3. So dy du will now be 3 u power 3. 3 root power 2. So we now solve it. That means dy dx will be equals to du dx multiplied by dy du. Just look at it now. This du and the u will still go, and the y and the s will be equal. So you don't change anything here. So it will be equals to, what is dy du here? dy du dx here is 3 multiplied by dy du, which is 3 u squared, and it gives us 9 u squared. Therefore, dy dx will be equals to 9 into, what is our u? Our u given here is 3x minus 2 whole squared. That is the final.